some stock talk. Hope you had a good rest of your week in trading last week. We had a pretty good week, almost a little bit above flat, but it was a good week. I did claw back and make a flat week out of it, up a tad, but not by much. This week, we're going to keep our eyes on Novavax. There should be some data coming out sometime in October, the results, a little bit more detail about those results. So we're going to be looking for that. We're going to be watching for some opportunities, but we do have some cash on the sideline right now, and we want to keep that cash if we can. But if there's some bargains out there, we'll probably jump in after them. But as you all probably heard, the president has the coronavirus, so not sure what's going to unfold there, but may cause a lot of focus on what's going on with these vaccine stocks. So they'll definitely be in the news, especially the ones he's using. So whether that's going to impact Novavax, I don't know, but we'll see how that goes. But let's take a look at our portfolio and take a look at what stocks we are holding, and we'll talk about what we're going to do this week. So let's jump over there to there now. All right, so here's our portfolio from last week, and NUE, that's our other steel stock that we wanted to get rid of. We weren't able to get rid of that when we did get rid of Cleveland Cliffs early in the week, and did pretty good on that. 7.5% gain on that early in the week, and but this one hadn't quite got up there yet. So we're gonna hopefully we can. One of the goals this week would be to get rid of that one if we can. NKLA, I really like what it's been doing here the last few days. It's picked up on some high volume. As you can see here, it was a green Friday, 64 million shares traded, usually about 632, and it was much higher than what it was, as you can see here, much higher than what it was on the close, but it actually got up to 2630, you see here. So it looks like maybe the bleeding possibly has stopped on that. I hope so. So we can possibly, if we wanted to, could add some more, but just don't want to tie up that cash right now, especially on that one right there. I don't have that much confidence in it based off what it's been doing. So, but it is good. It is fighting its way back, so that's good. HTBX, a coronavirus stock, not doing a whole lot. Pulled back a little bit on Friday. Novavax actually started the day pretty good. Got all the way up to 107.99, and then pulled back towards the end of the day. As you can see the chart here, green in the morning. Afternoon, it got a little green on it, and then towards the end of the day, it just sold off for the weekend. XOM, our oil stock, it's pretty flat on Friday. U.S. Steel did get up there pretty good. It started out kind of low and did pick up a little bit towards the end of the day, and so we were happy to see that. 2.27% gain on that. We need that one to go up. We need our Nucor to go up as well. We need to trade that one. And ACB, again, is one of ours. That's a cannabis stock. It went through a reverse split, so that one's pretty much out of the picture for a while. I don't see it coming back anytime soon. As far as next week, what we'll do is we'll just keep a focus on that Novavax. Again, that data should be coming out. We're still holding some shares there, and we're going to keep holding those shares. Haven't done any more day trades after getting burned on that last one, so it kind of breaks me of the habit of that. But we did that a few times and had some pretty good luck. But the last time it got us, so we're not going to do that anymore. I'm more interested on keeping that cash on the sideline. Right now, we are sitting at about 31.6% cash. So really wanting to kind of hang on to that for the election, and we'll see how that goes. But as far as this coming week, we're going to try to get rid of that Nucor if we can. That was one of our trades, and we've had it only about a week, so we did get rid of the Cleveland Cliffs and 7.5% in about a week, so that was good. As far as our how we're doing this year, like I said, we do have that cash on the sideline, and I looked at the markets tonight, and the S&P year to date is up 3.64%. The NASDAQ's up 23%, 23.43%. The NASDAQ is, and the Dow is down 3%. The good news is what I've traded this year, I'm actually beating all of those. And so that's good. And we want to keep that. We'd like to close out the year strong like that. And that'd be a good year if we could. But we are still beating the markets. We're beating the banks. We're beating the CDs. So that's all you can ask when you're investing your own money. You just want to try to beat those things there. So if you can do that, you're in good shape. Uh, it's not the easiest thing to do. Sometimes they'll beat you. It just depends what you're holding, what you can sell, and what's helped a lot this year is the pocketing of the money, taking those trades. I know some of them kept going up and things like that, but pocketing that money, making that trade, and getting that money on the sideline and then reinvest it in something else, and you're compounding that over and over and over. So that helps drive that percentage up. So that's it's been a good year. So before we close out, let's take a real quick look at the market, see what's going on, see what maybe will be going on tomorrow. Okay, so let's take a look, just a quick look. So what I do see there is a bunch of green. Let's just go ahead and refresh it just to make sure it's still green, and it is. 189 on the Dow, S&P's up 23, and the Nasdaq 115. So looks like things are going up. Oil's up a little bit. So that Trump news is not really affecting a whole lot there. Let's take a quick look at Asia. Asia, we do see Nikkei's up over 1% there. Shanghai's pretty flat, and Hong Kong is up over 1%. So not bad there as well. How's our oil looking? Oil must have got beat up. Yeah, it did on Friday. Oil slips more than 4% on oversupply fears. It's odd how it works. One day it's there's a shortage of supply, and then the next day there's an oversupply. So who knows? That thing just keeps going up between this 35 and 40. But our oil stocks and things like that, they're just not gonna do much until this coronavirus stuff goes away, or gets to a point where people are traveling a lot more and flying and driving and doing their normal things. But who knows? This probably has changed some things as far as remote working goes. Now that some of these companies, that have never done that before, can see that they can do that without causing a whole lot of loss of productivity. Matter of fact, I think most of these companies, a lot of these companies actually get more productivity because they'll actually like to work you more than your normal hours. So that's what you got to be careful of when you're working from home. Experienced that myself. So you guys have a great rest of your week, and I hope you have a good day of trading this week, a good day of trading tomorrow, and we'll get back on here probably Wednesday night or so and check in with you just to see where things are at, and hopefully some good news has come out about some Novavax and we get a pop there. But have a great week. We'll check in with you on Wednesday. And hey, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to check in and subscribe on clicking that little button in the corner there. Really appreciate it. All right. Have a great day.